Hello, voy a realizar la ponencia del Stage 5, que es realizar un video y en él hacer una presentación personal y hablar sobre un último viaje, el último viaje que usted haya tenido y también hablar sobre un viaje futuro que tenga a planes futuros. Bueno, entonces mi ponencia de la Stage 5 sería la siguiente. My name is Juan Pablo Ángel. I am 27 years old. I am from Bogotá. But I currently live in Candelaria Valle. I am studying electronic engineering at the UNAD University. I like various genres of music, but what is listened to the most is electronic, salsa, and vallenato and pop. I don't like the genre. I don't like music metal. I don't like very cool. Much or very much hot. I don't like. um okay. My last trip was to a town cat Santa Elena, where I was on farm with my family, and I did activities like walking, dancing, playing frog, and swimming in the pool. Okay, what else? Future. My trip plan I am going to make in future is go to Lake Kalima, rent a farm with my family to spend the end of years. Cousin fruit abroad will come, and we will do outdoor activities. Stands will be mi activities. Ok, eso sería todo. Thank you so much.